So welcome to FM Tuition Academy. Okay, today we'll be looking at standard form and the significant figures so that you have an understanding on how to do them. I help you to understand standard form and significant figures. Okay, because they come in your exam and I notice that you're having problems with them. For example, if they say write 0.00002678 in standard form. Correct to two significant figures. They can say 3 significant figures, they can say 4, any number, they can say 5 significant. Okay, so the first thing you do is you write the number that I've told you to write in standard form. What is my number? 0.0000. How many zeros do we have? 2, 4. 4 zeros, 267. 2678. Okay, so this is the number writing in standard form. The first thing before you whatever you do, you locate where the decimal point is. In a number like this, you have seen the decimal point is already here. So you move the decimal point to where the first number starts, because all these are zeros here. So you go to where the first number starts. Do you come here? No. Come here? No. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see, you find the number, so it means the decimal point is coming where 2 is there, because all these ones in front they are zeros. It goes in front of the number, not before the number, so it goes in front of 2. So it will be 2.678 times, you always put times, you put 10, then you count how many steps you moved. You moved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you moved 5 steps. So you put your 5. But the question is, which direction are you moving? You are moving towards the right. You see, you are moving this direction. You are moving with these circles. You are moving towards the right. So you are going to the right direction. So the right is positive direction. Okay? The right is positive direction. But you on your answer, you don't put positive. If you are going to the positive direction on the right, you write negative. You always write the different one. If you are going to the positive, you write the negative. So if you are going to the right, instead of you writing positive, you write negative. Write the opposite one. So this is in what? In standard form. Okay? So this is what? Standard. This is standard form. Okay, whatever I've written here is in standard form. That's -5. -5 here. Okay, 10 to the power -5. So this is in standard form. Now I'm going to write it correct to 3 significant figures. So the question had 2 parts. There is a part for standard form, which we have done. The other part is 2 significant figures. So we now do the 2 significant figures. So now here on top you write 2 significant figures. So you write your same answer. So this answer on top, you bring it down. Okay, you write twice. So this answer here is 2.678 times 10 to the power -5. Since they said 2 significant figures, it means you count the first 2 numbers. My first number is 2, the second one is 6. So when you reach on they said 2 significant figures, so you count 1, 2, so it ends on 6. On number 2 there you draw a line. So since this one is 7 in front of 6, you add 1 to 6 there. So it will be 2.7. 6 here will become 7 because the number in front is above 5. That is 7, the number in front. So you add 1 to the number before. times 10 to the power negative 5. So this is the answer here. Okay, so my answer is actually 2.7 times 10 to the power negative 5. Okay, so you write first in standard form, which we did, which is this one, and then two significant figures. You write the answer here, you count two numbers, 1, 2, and then you draw a straight line. And then if the number in front is greater than 5, if you add 1 to the number before. Okay, that's question 1. Question 2, again, you do a similar thing, guys. We're writing these numbers in standard form, 0.0017867. So first we write this in what? Standard what? Form. So I'm going to write this number in standard form. We're writing this number in standard form. So in standard form, it's going to be the decimal point to move how many steps? 1, 2, 3. It goes where the first number is. So it's coming where there's 1 there. Not here. It goes in front of the number, not before the number, in front of the number. So it will be 1.7 times 10 to the power 1, 2, 3. You moved 3. You are moving to the what direction? Right. So you are moving to the positive direction. If you are moving to the positive direction towards the right, you write negative. So this answer there will be negative what? 3. It means you have written in standard form. And then now, two significant. Okay, this one will put 3. So now this one is 3 significant. For example, if they told you to write in standard form and then to 3 significant figures, how do you write it? Then this number here, sorry, made a mistake here. We didn't finish. This is 1.77867. All the number write it completely. Times 10 to the power 1, 2, 3 to the power 3, the negative 3 there. Okay, so you write that same answer, you bring it down here, 1.78. There's nothing there. It is okay. What is 1.7? Okay, that answer, write it here, 67 times 10 to the power negative 3. Okay, now to 3 significant figures. So you count 3 numbers, I told you. So you count 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3. So you put a line there. So it will be 1.7, that 7 comes down. Here where there is 7, you add 1 to it, where there is 8, you add 1, it will become 9. Because it is 3 numbers that you are counting. Times these numbers in front, you get rid of them, you don't write anything. Times 10 to the power negative 3. To the power negative 3. That's how you do it. That is the answer. So this is the answer, 1.79 times 10 to the power negative 3. So you do like that for all questions. Sometimes they can bring a number 578694. You write this in what? Standard. Write this in standard form. So when you're writing this in standard form, have you seen this one doesn't have a point? It's not like the other ones where the point was already given. So if there is no point, you assume that the point is in front here. Okay? This one has no point, so it means the point is in front. If there's no point in the number, it is assumed the point is in front. So the number that you are writing is this one. Okay? This number. Since there is no point in it, you are writing this number, this whole number in standard form, but there is no point in it. Okay? So what do you do? If there's no point, you assume that the point is in front. Okay? So I'll bring that number down here so that I write it. So it is 578694. So I'll write this in standard form. So I'll assume the point is where it's in front. That's what we said. If there's no point, you assume it's in front. And then the point should reach the last number here. So it will come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it means it has moved 5. So it will be, so it's in standard form, it will be 5.78694 times 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the power 5. Where was the number? Where was it moving? Which direction was the point moving? Towards the negative side. So it was moving in that direction. So this direction is what? It's negative direction. Okay, on the number line. You are going on the left side. The other one you are moving on the right side. So if you are going to the negative, you write what? You write positive. You remember what I said? You write the opposite. So here it's positive. If you are going to the left, you write, instead of you writing negative, you write positive. We are moving towards the left direction. We are moving in this direction. That direction is the left side. Right is in front, left is the other side. So moving towards the left. So it means you're moving towards the negative direction. But you don't write negative, you write positive. You always write the opposite sign. Okay. Now that question, for example, they say correct to, they can say to 4 significant figures. Okay. So that would be 5.78694 times 10 to the power positive 5. So you count how many numbers? 4, because they said 4 significant figures. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this line comes here. Okay? So meaning my new answer, I chop it off from there. So it would be 5.7. You cut it off from 6 there. 5.780. It was supposed to be 86. But here this in 86, but because there is 9 there, you add 1 to 6, so it will be 7. 7 times 10 raised to the power what? +5. So guys, that's how you just do it. That's how you just do this. Okay, so I think I can give you an exercise which you can try on standard form. Okay, let's look at the first question is write this number in standard form correct to 3 significant figures. Write this number in standard form correct to 3 significant figures. What number is it? 0.00000127665. That's the number you're supposed to write in standard form. That's question 1, guys. Question 1. Let's go to question 2. Question 2. Write this number in standard form correct to 4 significant figures. What is the number? 0.0057678. Okay. Question 3. Write in standard form 57869. Correct to 2 significant figures. Lastly, question 4. Write the number 67894 761 in standard form. Correct to 5 significant figures. Okay, that is the end. We end here. Try that exercise. Thank you.